Did you know that when you see someone smile, your brain forces you to feel happy too? Here's how your mind gets hijacked by other people's emotions without you even knowing it. When you look at someone's face, special brain cells called mirror neurons automatically fire. These neurons make your face copy their expression and your breathing match theirs. Your brain then thinks you're feeling what they're feeling. This is why spending time with anxious people makes you anxious. Your brain can't tell the difference between your real emotions and the ones you're copying. Some people are like emotional sponges. They soak up everyone's feelings around them, others barely notice. This emotional copying spreads through entire offices and families like a virus. But here's the crazy part. This automatic emotion sharing helped humans survive for thousands of years. When one person felt danger, everyone else would feel it too and run together. Your brain is constantly reading the room and making you feel what everyone else feels. You're never just feeling your own emotions.